state, we have one people, they are American guy. The location is the Bay Area, that's California. Because we have many customers in California, Chicago, San Diego, Mexico. So sometimes some customers have any very urgent the issues or they want a face-to-face meeting. So our account manager can go to the customer site to have meeting and to do more details discussion and then issue the order for us.
I see. Beside this, here in Dongguan, in your facility, do you have your own engineers for more design, more
yes, of
supporting
course.
the structure?
Yes.
And are they talking English talking engineers?
Yeah, we can show you in the later. Our engineer can do reverse engineering. Okay. DFM for tool, and also for the product. We can have customer to make the details analysis to have customers to improve their design, such as some drop angle issues. Also for some parts they are designed, but they are design team, but sometimes they cannot moldable. So we provide some solution for customer to work together to bring the project to market as fast as possible.
Okay.
So our engineer also can do the project engineer. They works together with our PM just to do the inside process, schedule the progress. They do the report, they do the DFM data stripping, they do the ISR report, and many inside